Welcome to my Hans Moore channel, where I create a lot of abstract face painting tutorials. For this video, I created an art drawing, which I will paint on my face and chest. I will paint a black triangle design on my face, demonstrating a side-by-side comparison of metallic black face paint against classic black face paint. Once the face paint dries on my skin, the metallic black face paint will have a glossy metal finish versus the classic black face paint will have a flat matte finish. The brand I'm comparing is by Snazaroo, which is water activated and washes off with soap and water. Let's begin this demonstration. The first thing I'm going to do is map out the design on my face to my chest using soft eyeliner pencils. Next, I will outline the diamond on my face and the squiggly lines coming out from the diamond using a classic red face paint. Next, I will outline the diamond on my face, the squiggly lines on my face, paint the spider on my chest, and paint my upper arm using the metallic black paint. Next, I will fill in the rest of the diamond on my face using the classic black face paint. Next, I will paint my neck and my chest and my arm using the metallic red paint. Next, I'm going to fill in the rest of my face with the white and add highlights to the spider on my chest. Last, I'm going to glue the spider on top of the spider on my chest using liquid latex. This completes the application of the transformation. Now, let's compare my face painting to my art face drawing and compare the metallic black paint to the classic black paint. This side of the triangle is the classic black face paint, which in person and not on camera, it has more of a flat, dull look. And this side of the triangle is the metallic black paint, and in person has more of a glossy, pearly metal finish. And you may be able to see the finish, the shine of the black, the metallic black. You can notice that it's kind of reflective of the light, but in person, it's much more shinier. It's now time for me to put on my headpiece, which I designed for this look, and show you my complete and finished look. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my other video transformations and face painting tutorials on this channel. I do hope you click subscribe and the bell icon to receive a notification of my future videos. As always, thanks for watching.